State asigi lambi thonggi fibam ka hena fachilaktaba amasung miyamgi punsi khudong thiningai oirakliba asigi matangda High Court of Manipur na PIL ama register tawkibaga loinena September 9 faubada paukhum piraknanaba respondent singda notice issue tawkre Manipur State Legal Service Authority gi member secretary na thokiba cherol gi matung inna District Legal Services Authority na Chathakiba field assessment gi matung inna Pikhalakliba report yumfam oiraga High Court of Manipur na monitoring of road condition in the state of Manipur haiba PIL number 20/2025 asi register tawduna su moto case lokhatkibani PIL asi matung inna State asigi ayamba lambi thonggi fibam ka hena fachilaktaba amadi miyamgi punsida khudong thiningai oirakpa asi Indian Constitution gi Article 21 na piba right to life khongaungna bani haina lofam thoi hairi nongju tha matam oibana lambi gi fibam makata na hena sokchilakpa yaba amasung accident thoktuna miyoibagi punsi mangba yaba gi fibam leibana judiciary na mityeng Changbagi tangai fadaba leihaiba wafamsu PIL asida palli PIL register tauba amadi su moto case lokhat pagaloinena High Court of Manipur gi Chief Justice K Somasekhar amasung Justice A Guneshwar Sarmagi Divisions Bench na Learned Advocate General Manipur gi Kuthangda September 9 faubada paukhum piraknanaba respondent singda notice issue tawkibagaloinena Ching amasung tampakta lambi sing sembagi thaudang lauriba authority amasung agency singi lisu pikhalaknanaba khanganki PIL asigi respondent singna Manipur lenga ki chief secretary principal secretary PWD principal secretary commissioner RD and PR chief engineer PWD amasung Manipur State Rail Road Development Agency gi chief engineer di